If ang concern mo is signs of aging like yung mga fine lines, wrinkles, or even yung mga dark under eyes na medyo puffy, and gusto mong mag-invest in a skincare serum para ma-address to, well, in a way, you are lucky because we are living in a time wherein yung mga very effective ingredients and technology sa skincare para sa well-aging are now very accessible to the ordinary Filipino. And as someone na almost over 6 years na akong gumagamit ng iba't ibang mga serums for the signs of aging, since mid-20s pa ako actually gumagamit, let me share with you some of what I think are the best products that you can get in the market right now. And all of these are evidence-based recommendations na merong ingredients that are approved by dermatologists for helping with the signs of aging. And the best part is, whether ang budget mo is 1,000, 500, or even just under 300 pesos lang, meron akong option for you in this list. So, let me share with you my current favorites. Pero guys, just a quick and friendly reminder, yung mga serums na i-mention natin are best used at night. So, remember, sa gabi lang siya dapat ginagamit. And then, during the daytime naman, dapat hindi nyo nakakalimutang gumamit ng sunscreen. Non-negotiable to meaning kailangan na kailangan siya if you're going to be using these serums. Kasi kung di ka naman gumagamit ng sunscreens, masasayang lang din yung mga recommendations na to. So let's start first with my recommendation for those na maraming budget. And this reco is for those na matagal nang gumagamit ng retinol but want something better. Or maybe something that also possibly works faster. Kasi itong first reco natin is probably one of the most potent and powerful serums in the market for the signs of aging. And it's actually from a very well-known Korean brand called Celimax, and it's their Retinol Shot Tightening Booster. Na actually ito, kararating lang niya, kade-deliver lang siya ng rider. Ito kasi, second tube ko na to of this product, and even if meron siyang mas malaking version, itong 15 ml talaga yung pinakagusto ko. Kasi talaga, very little lang yung kailangan mong gamitin rito, as in, a little goes a long way kasi medyo matapang din siya. Ito kasi, if you look at the label, this has 0.1% retinol, and yes, retinol with an A. And yung retinol is actually the faster-acting version of retinol. And yung 0.1% kasi, if sa retinol, yun yung parang lowest percentage, yung 0.1%, yun na yung isa sa mga highest available strengths of retinol. And again, for those who don't know yung difference ng retinol and retinol, basically, ang retinol with an O, kino-convert pa siya ng body natin twice before makuha natin yung benefits niya. Compared to retinol, na once na lang need i-convert ng katawan natin, so, ideally, it will work faster than retinol. But aside from that, you're also getting another very good supporting ingredient here, which is yung 3% na Matrixyl 3000 nila. Na yung Matrixyl is actually more of a brand name, but basically, para mas madali nyo maintindihan, parang complex of ingredients siya. And yung ingredients na to are actually yung tinatawag nating mga peptides that can actually help support retinol. Kasi nakakatulong din sila in helping to address fine lines, wrinkles, and can even help improve yung skin texture natin para mas maibalik natin yung parang bouncy and elastic na feel niya. And as a bonus, meron din tong 1% panthenol or vitamin B5, which is basically a very good skin hydrator and skin softener. And as someone na medyo oily yung skin, actually mas gusto ko ang panthenol or vitamin B5 compared to hyaluronic acid, which is yung very, very sikat. Pero for me, yung dalawa talaga na hindi masyadong nanonotice or underrated are panthenol and of course, yung glycerin. So the way that I put this on my skin, parang dot-dot lang talaga. Ako personally, ginagamit ko lang siya sa neck and sa hands na area ko. Kasi personally, sa rest of my face, gumagamit ako ng acne medications. And hindi ko kasi siya pwedeng i-layer with my acne medications kasi matapang na yung acne medications ko eh. So kapag nilayer ko tong dalawa, sobrang na-irritate na yung skin ko. Pero kung hindi naman kayo kagaya ko na gumagamit ng very powerful or very potent, matapang na acne medications, then you can put this on your entire face. Pero take note, only if sanay na yung skin mo sa retinol or sa mga weaker retinol products. Ako kasi, and alam na to ng mga long-time viewers ko, matagal na akong gumagamit ng retinol as in parang 5 years na. Parang a little bit more pa nga eh. Yung ganitong percentage, medyo wala-wala na lang siya sa akin. And for those na curious kung nilalagay ko ba siya sa under eyes ko, because I know some of you know na naglalagay ako ng mga retinol products sa under eyes ko. Honestly, medyo natatakot pa ako. I think this might be too strong for that area. So, I try to look for other products na medyo mas weak kapag sa under eye. Now, I actually bought yung first tube ko nito at just around 700 plus pesos online. Kung gusto niyo yung bigger size na 30 ml, I think nasa around 1,000 plus na siya. Pero itong second bottle ko, binili ko kasi ito sa 99 and then nakuha ko siya at just 400 to 500 plus. So, tip lang kung gusto niyo makatipid sa mga retinol products, antayin niyo yung sale season kasi talaga palaban yung mga discounts. But anyway, ilalagay ko na lang din sa lower left side ng screen and sa description box yung specific na shop na binilhan ko para pwede nyo tutukan pag magsisale sila or hindi. But for those na hindi to mahuli at 400 to 500 pesos lang, or for those na gusto ng more beginner-friendly or sensitive skin-friendly na mga retinol products, don't worry because I have 2 more options for you, especially if medyo may budget ka lang. Starting with one of our new and leading low local brands. Grabe talaga to guys kasi itong local brand na to, this has really been pushing it forward this year for Filipino skincare and isa sila sa first Filipino brands to actually have a retinol serum. And it's also one of the few brands na galing sa TikTok na actually nagugustuhan ko and meron silang credibility. The brand I'm referring to is Smoochkins and I want to talk about their Retinol Youth Elixir Serum. Na ito naman guys, may kita mo dun sa box niya, it actually has a 5% retinol liposome complex. So baka medyo magpanic ka na, oh my god, 5% retinol. Akala ko ba yung 0.1% parang sobrang tapang na. Ano pa kaya yung 5%? Magkaka-skin barrier pa ba ako nun pag nilagay ko? Charot. Pero just to clarify guys, yung 5% retinol liposome na yon, ang ginamit lang nila is 0.05% retinol. Which is, by the way, kalahati nung 0.1% na sinabi natin kanina. And then, yung 0.05% retinol na yon, that one is encapsulated via a liposome or yung parang mga fats. So isipin nyo, parang naka-encapsulate or may parang wrap around sa kanya na layer of fat. So baka itanong ninyo, ano ba yung benefit nun sa retinol? Basta alalahanin ninyo, kapag encapsulated or may liposome ang isang active ingredient, ginawa yon para less irritating siya sa skin and para mas maging beginner and sensitive skin friendly yung product. So kung pasok ka doon, then this is probably my top pick for you. Aside from that, naglagay din sila ng mga supporting ingredients here na actually sikat siya sa Korean skincare, like yung Bifida Ferment Lysate, which is basically a fermented ingredient. Sipin nyo, probiotic siya, pero hindi para sa tiyan, pero para sa skin. Plus, yung fermented ingredient na to, may supporting benefit pa siya, which is may konting skin repairing properties siya, which is of course very welcome. If you look at the label, meron din tong PDRN, yung very trending na ingredient sa Korea. Yung nanggaling pa daw siya sa DNA ng salmon, or more specifically, yung sperm cell ng salmon. As in, booming na booming talaga siya sa Korea, pero usually kasi yung pinaka-effective na PDRN treatment is yung ini-inject talaga sa skin. The evidence on yung PDRN na pinapahid lang sa skin is actually still being studied more and more, pero still, medyo welcome addition naman siya kung ang kapartner niya are more proven ingredients, like for example, retinol. At least, meron kang proven and tested na ingredient, diba? And meron kang nice to have na if nag-work, great, pero if hindi, at least at its core, parang retinol serum pa rin talaga siya. So ito naman is actually a more watery liquid serum and I find one pump to actually go a long way already. This one, nadadaan ko siya sa under eyes and then sa neck, ilalagay ko rin siya and then yung matitira, ira-rub ko pa sa likod ng kamay ko. Kasi again, according to dermatologists, ito talaga yung parang medyo neglected area na mas prone din na kumukulubot-kulubot siya or magka-wrinkles. And again, pwede din naman to sa whole face pero ayun nga, may ginagamit kasi akong acne medications na bawal i-layer with retinol. So if you want to know kung anong acne medication yon, nilalagay ko na lang din yung skincare routine video ko na binabalik-balikan ko after I test different products throughout the year. Nilalagay ko yun sa I button para mapanood nyo. But anyway, itong serum naman, this is regularly at 549 pesos and so far, hindi pa naman nauubusan si Smoochkins ng stock. And since itong brand na rin yung pinag-uusapan natin, kung naghahanap kayo actually ng moisturizer na gusto nyong i-partner with your retinol, actually, yung gamit ko rin currently is yung sa brand nila. Wala siya sa akin sa studio ngayon, pero I think yung full name niya is yung Rescue Me 5x Ceramide Ectowin Barrier Gel Cream. Parang ganun. Pero yung purple na moisturizer siya. And magandang moisturizer din talaga yon, isabay with any active in general, but also of course with retinol. And diba, kunyari naghahanap ka na rin ng moisturizer and naghahanap ka na rin ng serum, at least same shop na sila, diba? So parang isang shipping fee na lang. But anyway, since local brand to, for those who want the link to yung authentic shop talaga or yung legit na store ni Smoochkins, nalagay ko na lang sa baba for those who want to see it. And now moving on to my next reco, and this one is for those naman na kagaya ko rin na tambay ng Watsons and mahilig talaga bumili sa mga physical stores talaga, I'm sure nadadaanan niyo na rin yung brand na to. Matagal nang wala yung brand na to sa rotation ko, pero binili ko na lang siya ulit para meron akong mapakita sa inyo. It's the European brand Revox and it's their Just Retinol Serum. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, after kasi nung first bottle ko nito, hindi na ako nag-repurchase because I found better retinol products. Now, I'm not saying bad product to, it's just that we have other options like yung Celimax and yung Smoochkins in the market already. But I do want to say, good option pa rin talaga to for those na for any reason hindi sila makabili online. Kasi gusto niyo talaga yung feeling na bumibili kayo sa Watsons ng skincare, fine. Gets ko rin naman yun. Pero masabi ko lang talaga guys ha, there are much better options online even for this brand specifically. Explain ko mamaya. Pero siguro for reference na lang din, siguro for emergencies, at least alam niyo may ganito kayong option na very accessible din sa Watsons. And actually, naalala ko lang pala, na-mention ko na rin to before doon sa best well-aging routine sa Watsons na video ko. But anyway, ingredients-wise naman, this has a 0.06% concentration of retinol. Again, very similar kay Smoochkins sa kanina na 0.05%. But because this is not encapsulated, kailangan medyo mas maingat ka sa paglagay nito. What I do like about this formulation though is marami siyang mga hydrating ingredients like again, glycerin and panthenol, yung underrated duo na sinasabi ko sa inyo for hydration. But not just that, meron din siyang sodium PCA A, and even hyaluronic acid. So, 4 yun. Plus, this even has a small amount of vitamin C. So, of course, magandang antioxidant support yon because retinal in itself, antioxidant din naman siya. Ang retinal, retinol, tretinoin, lahat yan are derivatives of vitamin A. So, fun fact kung hindi nyo lang alam. Na ito naman, upon application, this has a very, very hydrating feel, which is why personally, I like to use this as a body serum instead. Especially since hindi nga encapsulated yung retinal dito, diba? And usually, mas matibay yung skin natin sa body. What I like to do sa serum na to is to spread it under my favorite Aveeno na lotion. Either yung green na daily moisturizing lotion or yung Aveeno Baby. And ang ganda, yung hydration na napoprovide nito is nasiseal in nung lotion din. Plus, of course, yung well-aging benefits. And sa mga recently nanood ng body care routine for 2025 ko na video, yes, napalitan yung Dr. O na retinol product na ginamit ko doon. Good product pa rin naman yung kay Dr. O, pero more for the face kasi talaga siya na pinilit kong gamitin sa body. Kasi talaga guys, medyo nakakainis yung market natin ngayon. Wala pang available na magandang retinol lotion in the market. As in, pangit pa, hindi pa nade-develop ng mabuti yung market natin talaga compared to, let's say, Thailand. Ang dami na nilang retinol lotion. And for sure, mauunahan nila tayo sa paggawa ng retinal lotion kapag nagkaroon. If wala pa, baka nga meron na sila, hindi ko lang alam. Now again, personal way ko lang to of how I use this product. As in, mas gusto ko lang talaga siya on my body compared to my face. Kaya ginagamit ko siya as a body serum. But you can also still use it on your face, especially if medyo dry skin ka. But just be very conservative when dispensing the product. Again, a little goes a long way, especially since hindi siya encapsulated. Now, price-wise, this is also 549 pesos sa Watsons na physical store. Pero meron ding online shop si Revox. I'm not sure nga lang kung sa Orange app meron siya, pero sa L app meron. Nandun ata yung official nila. And ang maganda pa sa online store nila, if you ever end up wanting to upgrade your retinal serum, si Revox meron din silang higher percentage of retinal. Yun yung retinal 0.2% serum niya, which is the highest percentage na alam ko na retinal in a serum. As in, natalo pa niya si Celimax talaga, siya lang yung alam ko. But yung 0.2% na retinal serum, I'm gonna be honest with you, hindi ko pa siya ma-reco because I haven't tried it yet. So do let me know in the comments if you also want me to try yung retinal 0.2% serum dahil parang ako naman ata talaga ang pambansang skincare guinea pig ng Pilipinas. Charot. And again, yung retinal 0.2% online exclusive pa lang ata siya. Parang wala pa ako nakitang mga stores na hawak yung 0.2% retinal. So like I said kanina, and ito na yung explanation, mas marami talagang better options online even for this brand. Kasi kung gusto mo mag-upgrade, andyan na si 0.2% retinal, i-add to cart mo na lang. Now, if hindi pa rin pasok sa budget mo yung 500 plus, again, as promised, I do have one other option na actually it hits the concerns of many people. Very value for money siya and also mabibili mo rin siya sa Watsons and online and very beginner friendly siya. And this option is from another local brand. It's from Hello Glow ang nagbabalik. It's their new and improved version ng blemish minimizing set nila na color orange. Not to be mistaken, sa old version, yung luma nilang Blemish Miracle, wag yun. Medyo drying talaga yun. Especially compared to this. And I'm so happy ni re-release to ni Hello Glow kasi talaga it's about time. And by the way, hindi to Rejuve set guys for those na nag-iisip. These are more modern formulations. But anyway, ang biggest criticism ko doon sa mga sets nila is yung blue kasi very gentle. Pero yung orange and yung green na nilabas nila, yung acne, pareho silang medyo may mga drying ingredients. Parang hindi ako masyadong na-impress sa set na yun overall. Na parang it's fine kung gamitin mo, pero hindi siya yung the best. Pero ang ginawa ni Hello Glow recently, in fairness sa kanila, in-upgrade nila yung green and yung orange. So, yung upgrade ng orange is this one. From Blemish Miracle, naging Blemish Minimizing siya. And ito talaga guys is the best kung on a budget ka because you don't only get a retinal product, meron ka pang kasamang 3 other products. May gentle cleanser ka na, may brightening toner ka pa, and may kasama ka pang day cream. As in, kulang mo na lang kapag binili mo to is a sunscreen. Na I'm actually happy na hindi nila in-add dito because masyadong maliit talaga yung sunscreen. So why not? Bumili ka na lang ng full size, diba? So good job doon, Hello Glow. So yung retinol serum dito is actually maliit lang siya. I have it here. And ang masasabi ko lang about this is undisclosed pa kasi how much retinol is actually in this. But my assumption is 0.025% or lower. Kasi usually kapag medyo undisclosed yung amount, usually beginner-friendly amount lang siya. But what I do like about this is liposomal yung retinol niya. So again, like I mentioned a while ago, kapag may nakita kang liposome or encapsulated, it means best talaga siya to prevent irritation. So kung mababa na yung amount plus encapsulated or may liposomal technology pa siya, that means very, very, very beginner-friendly siya. But aside from that, I also do like na naglagay sila ng ceramides dito, 3 types to be specific, plus also a small amount of vitamin C for that antioxidant boost. And also, maganda talaga na supported din siya by other products that target yung signs of aging natin. Like for example, yung brightening toner nila actually has 2% glycolic acid. And glycolic acid is one of the gold standard ingredients talaga for the signs of aging. So perfect yun. Yung 2% is a percentage that is good for daily use kapag nasanay na yung skin mo. Not just that, pero yung toner din nila also has glucose spironolactone, which is also a gentle exfoliant. And both of those will act to very gently remove the surface layer ng dead skin cells para mas ma-reveal yung brighter and more youthful na skin. And what I also like about this is, sa day cream naman nila, palaban din, meron ding 4% niacinamide with ceramides. And for those who don't know, ang niacinamide, hindi lang siya brightening, nakakatulong din siya sa skin barrier health natin, and also nakakatulong din siya sa signs of aging when you use it consistently. If I'm not mistaken, ang sabi sa studies na it can help with fine lines is if you use around, I think, 4 to 5% niacinamide for maybe 8 to 12 weeks consistently. But anyway, palaban talaga yung set na to, and again, hindi to rejuve ha. Don't get it twisted, hindi ka magiging tosino rito. Unless of course, maling amount yung ilagay mo sa face mo, diba? As in yung ipaligo mo talaga siya sa skin mo. As in sa isang gamitan, inubos mo talaga yung toner, edi kasalanan mo na yun. Char. And for those who might be curious kung paano ba siya gagamitin, ako personally daytime routine, just use the cleanser, the day cream, and then any sunscreen that you like to use. And then sa gabi, siguro what I would do is i-alternate ko to. Parang let's say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, etong toner nila, and then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, etong Blemish Miracle, and then sa Sunday kayo na bahala kung gusto niyo ulitin kung ano man. And then, if you really like the effects on your skin and gusto mo pang more than every other night si retinol, gusto mo siyang gawin every night for example, then gagawin mo na tong every night, and then si glycolic toner, ilipat mo sa umaga. So, diba, meron ka ng isang buong routine at just a little under 300 pesos. Grabe talaga palaban. In fairness kay Hello Glow, nagsi-step up ulit sila. So, kung ito around 300 pesos and then magdagdag ka pa ng sunscreen, let's say around 300 plus pesos, under 1,000 pa rin talaga. So, perfect. Ang kailangan mo na lang talaga dito is yung sunscreen na magugustuhan mo talaga. And speaking of sunscreens, if you want to know yung top recommendations ko for sunscreens, maglilink pa na ako na video here on what you can buy sa Watsons and sa online. And I'll also put another video here which is my personal guide on how to properly use mga retinol or retinal or retinoid products pag nabili mo na yung product na gusto mo. So I do hope this video helped, and as usual guys, don't forget to make informed skincare decisions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!